Good morning. It is day 6, Sunday morning, and it's glorious. I mean, last night was just perfect. The stars were out, the moon was bright, right alongside this creek, and you just heard it all. Today, we have several climbs. This is the sort of the challenging end of the trail, and so we're into our last 3 days of the hike. We'll do today, tomorrow, and then hopefully have sort of a short hike on the final day. But we're off on the trail now, and it's brisk. I mean, it's just cool. My hands are cold. Camera didn't want to work right this morning, so I had to stop and take the battery out of it and reset it. You know, I wish they would get that fixed. Otherwise, I do like the GoPro, but it does have a few quirks to it that could be worked out. But I guess I do too. Just ask my wife. Anyway, we're on the trail now, and it's pretty. So look at the, you know, the water's down through here, and it's the sun's coming up. I wish I could give you a real perspective of what this is like. That's just a gorge down through there. It's probably 75 to 100 feet down. So I'm standing right on the edge of it, and just filled with mountain laurel and rhododendron. A few trees that are budding, not quite leaves out yet. Very, very pretty and very peaceful. Just listen. There's a stream flowing through it all. About to the bottom of this first big up for the day, and now we've descended, coming up on, I think it's Laurel Falls. Not sure if we'll have a view of it or not. If we do, I'll share. Wonderful day. Sun's up, it's warmed up, and just enjoying the walk. Among the things I just love out on the trail is meeting folks. You know, and PTO and I just met 2 sisters who are hiking a section of the trail out here. Originally from South Carolina, one has moved to Chicago, but yeah, they were doing a section. It's fun to talk with them. And then we come around the corner, and this is what we get. We got Laurel Falls. Quite a rise to coming up, but what a beautiful place. I wish I could just bring you here right now. The sun is shining through the trees and just warms my hands. The stream through here is beautiful, and you saw the falls, and they're just gorgeous. It is a great day to be out. You know, this is why I like to hike. It just lets you know that you're alive. You can feel it in every part of your body, your hands, the skin, your face, the breeze. You can smell it, you can hear it. It's just amazing. What an experience. I'll try to show it to you, but you have to be here to experience it. Just share with you where we're having lunch today. Right beside this little stream. PTL down there soaking his feet and getting lunch. This is the Virginia Hawkins Falls. It is gorgeous. This place with its streams and waterfalls, I'd love to come back here and hike through and just do a documentary of the streams and waterfalls. But let's check this out. Well, hey y'all, the sun's going down behind me. This is the end of day 6. Tomorrow we'll go over Sassafras Mountain, and that'll put us into Table Rock State Park on the next day, fairly early. It's been a beautiful day today with the waterfalls. This trail, I believe, so far is my favorite, at least east of the Mississippi. It has been gorgeous, and you know, the trail maintainers do so much. There's so many new bridges on here. They cut away the blowdowns. The trail is so well marked. I am very impressed with the Conservancy and all the work that they've done on this wonderful trail. So congratulations to you, and man, you have done well. It has been a joy thus far. Tomorrow we'll go over Sassafras Mountain, and then the next day be a short hike back into Table Rock State Park here in South Carolina. All right, well, good night for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path. God bless you.